Hey, this is Rob with South Main Travelers, and I just want you to know, if you come to Nashville and you've done the honky tonk thing, you've checked out the country music, maybe you've gone to the Grand Ole Opry, and you want something else to do, well, Tennessee's got a train ride. The Tennessee Central Railway Museum offers themed train trips, usually a couple times a month, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can book your own train trip. After we found our seats, I decided to head up to the dining car and get a snack or two. Now, since this was a wine tasting train ride, I had to get the cheese and crackers, and I also got me a honey blonde ale. What we booked was a 6-hour train ride wine tasting excursion that went from Nashville downtown to a little town called Watertown, Tennessee. Another little attraction on this train, they had a little Dixieland band that passed through all the cars and would play a little music as we rode along. Once you get off the train in Watertown, you're usually given about an hour and a half to 2 hours to kind of walk around, check out the town square, some of the shops, grab a meal before the train gets turned around and headed back in the other direction. Now, we stopped at a little place called the Depot Junction Cafe, where we had a burger, wife had a salad, before we made our way back over the train and started heading back. So if you come to visit Nashville and you've done Honky Tonk Row and you've been down to see the Ryman Auditorium, you've been to the Grand Ole Opry, you've done all the traditionally Nashville things, don't forget Nashville has an actual train history, and the Tennessee Central Railway Museum is all volunteer, and they put on a really good excursion. So like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. Come to Nashville, check out the Tennessee Railway Museum excursions that they've got when you happen to be visiting.